Ayuda, Bel Mariana and Donnie Pangilinan umaariba sa aktingan. The way she asked, the way she big, the way she said, solid tayo, but no response from him. That silence of Bingo hurts Ling so much and double the pain inside him. This scene, my God, madami talagang umiyak, nasaktan at madami ring humanga at pumalakpak sa galing ng Don Bell pagdating sa aktingan. Direk Loren, nanonood rin pala ng CBML or Can't Buy Me Love? Isa rin siya sa humanga at pumalakpak sa galing sa aktingan ni Bell at Donnie.